Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Shoaib Qadeer. You are watching a Shoaib's Knowledges. Today we will learn about what is a recycle bin and how will we restore deleted file from recycle bin. First of all, I will delete this thumbnail of my picture. First of all, you will see it. Look, this is my video's thumbnail. You must have to watch this video also on my YouTube channel. Okay, so close it. I want to rename it or delete it. Okay. Oh no. Why I deleted it? I want it back. So what can I do? Don't worry, bro. Here is a recycle bin in your PC. This is a recycle bin. So your deleted files are placed here. If you have deleted any file accidentally, you will restore from here. So I will restore my picture from here. Look. Here is my deleted picture. First of all, if I want to empty the recycle bin, I will click it. Okay, here is the option restore, cut and delete and properties. So I will click on restore. Here is my again restored. Oh, thank you. If I will delete this and I want to, again I will delete it. Yes, delete it. Yes, it's again coming recycle bin. If I want to clear from my computer completely, I will empty all the recycle bin. Now I don't have any opportunity to restore it again. So you have learned in today's video about recycle bin. If you have not subscribed our channel Shapes Knowledges, please subscribe our channel Shapes Knowledges. Also share this video and also watch our other videos you have seen on screen. Okay, goodbye.